welcome back. This is the week of St. Patrick's Day in my brain dump planner. Happy St. Patty's Day. I know I'm a little late. It was a pre-plan for me when I filmed it. I just, didn't get it edited in a timely manner. I'm using some stuff from Happy Planners, some leftovers. That was a monthly kit from FrankHeartsYou that I won in a D-Stash giveaway. And we're going to jump into the video. So I've sped it up a little bit here. This is how last week came out. And I was filming pretty early. I had already made a note at the bottom that our open enrollment was this week, and I'm showing you my new tweezers from Perfect Prints Co. They are amazing, and if you guys are in the TPC Planners Collaborative Facebook group, or you watch CLLK09, her name is Caitlin, and I totally blame Caitlin for these tweezers, but they're amazing. I am using the Happy Planner stickers from the newest seasonal book, the one that I hauled the most recently, just because I went through my collection. I really didn't have a ton of St. Patrick's Day stuff, because for some reason I always seem to do St. Patrick's Day themed things. So I am just setting up my notes page, my brain dump page, where everything gets kind of out of my head and onto paper, going through freebies and pulling anything out that's in the color scheme that I'm going for, which is like a light blue and rainbows and obviously green for St. Patrick's Day. For those of you checking in on me in my last video about how I was feeling, honestly, I'm not getting better. It's kind of lingering at this sinus drainage. I know, TMI, sorry, but the sinus stuff and a little bit of throat stuff and some pressure in my chest. If it gets any worse, I'm going to have no choice but to go in and get tested, because we are still working. I am not quarantined, and I'm still going to work every day, and everybody at work pretty much has a cough or a sniffle or a sneeze or something like that. So we're just kind of playing it by ear. The only really good thing about my job is that we're a really small team, so there's only 7 of us. Sorry, I had to count. There's only 7 of us, so social distancing is not really a problem. I have my own office space, and everybody is way more than 6 feet apart. We're taking all the precautions we can while still being at work. So unless our governor gives us the shelter-in-place order, I'm pretty sure we're going to still be open. So, and I work in the fastener industry, and we do importing from overseas. So we have been getting containers of material from overseas, and my job there, I used to be in sales, and about almost a year ago now, I was promoted, side-moded into an operations position, because I understand logistics really well and the flow of things, and I think that's why planning is so, cathartic for me, is because I understand how things have to go, and they have to go in this order in order for things to happen. So I'm very, and this may go back to my college degree, in computer programming and learning flow charting and having that drilled into me. I just kind of know what has to happen next, and my boss saw that as a benefit in an area that we were lacking, and I was able to step in and kind of make it all work, and nobody has complaints, and it makes me happy and makes everybody I work with happy, because everything's getting done that needs to get done. So anyway, yeah, so we're open, we're operating with as many safety protocols as we can possibly have at this point. So we will see what happens. I will keep you guys updated. If anything occurs that changes and I get stuck at home, then I guess you'll get more videos. Well, I don't know. Both of my kids are home. My husband is home during the day. He works night shift. I don't know what's gonna happen, but you know, I'll try to get more videos up. I have one more pre-filmed that I need to edit and get up for you guys, but I am definitely enjoying my planner, even though I know a lot of people are like, what are you gonna do with your planner? My life hasn't changed. I'm still to work and taking care of kids and cleaning and cooking and household stuff, so you know, tracking the same things that I always track. Those sticker sheets were from my Recollections planner last year, and I showed you some freebies at the beginning of the video. They were from the last, not the most recent, not the March TPC, but the February TPC freebies. One was from the little gnome guys, or I guess they're leprechauns, holding the various things. Those are from PunkyB Designs freebie, and they were just kind of perfect to put about. And thank you, sticker sheet, for your service. It was greatly used. It came out really cute. This sheet was Sari May 3. It's like SARIE, and she had a lot of cute little sticker stuff. So that Happy Friday is from Brianna Nicole Designs, as well as that recycled container, which I use just to mark trash day. And yeah, I forgot to zoom you guys in. Man, I was just really into planning. But yeah, my tweezers from Perfect Prints Co. have my Instagram handle on them, and I got them with metallic silver. I don't know how many different vinyl colors she has that you can get on the tweezers. And if you're left-handed, you could tell her in the notes to sell her to put it so that it faces the right way when you're using them in your left hand, which is really cool. So I'm right-handed, so I just left them normal. And they fit really well, but they are very pointy, so don't poke yourself. But yeah, so just laying out bills and normal everyday stuff. But man, am I ready for payday. Ready to get some money in the bank, you know? I hope everybody out there that is hearing this right now is doing really well and is happy and healthy and doing whatever it is that you need to do for your family to make sure that life in 2020 continues to improve. And yeah, this spread just turned out so cute. I don't know why I call it I guess it is technically a spread because it's 2 pages, but yeah. I am pulling out some additional stickers. This cleaning day was from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. It's in that light blue color. And then I pulled in the light blue checklist. Look at that. Do you see they just pulled up that Happy Planner sticker? It was clear sticker paper. Snatched it right up with no problem. It was great. This was the first part I used these tweezers in, and I can tell you, nails, no nails, they're amazing. I'm not selling you them. They're $10 is what she has them marked at, like, regularly. But if you go over to that CLLK09, she has a coupon code for her, so you get a couple dollars off, which helps with shipping. And honestly, it was brilliant. These stickers are ancient. They are from Hello Cupcake Plans. I don't even know if she's still open anymore, but yeah, man, I miss those nails. Those nails are gone, but they lasted ever, if you guys didn't know, I don't get my nails done at a salon. Those are Kiss press-on nails, and what I do is I always use the Kiss nail glue that comes with them, and I just filed them into a shape that was better because they were a more rounded almond, so I made them a little more pointy. Cutting off my little friend there. And that's gonna pretty much wrap up this planning sesh. Just adding in some more gold glitter from that FrankHeartsYou monthly kit, sticking that in the back to save for later, and taking my last looks here. So again, showing off my tweezers, and they come with that little protector, and just showing you up close what it all came out like. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch up with you again very, very soon. Much love to all of you. And if you want to see any other videos, click right there where it says check out other videos, and if you haven't subscribed, you can just click that circle with my face and you will subscribe to my channel. Talk to you guys again real soon.